I'm here with the Cortex 350i Loader X Pro, our high-end performance class machine, suitable for all materials and high speed and hilly ride precision. It comes with a 3 kilowatt spindle, water cooled of course, up to 15 times flank changer, exchangeable tool magazines, and we equipped it with a new controller based on EtherCAT industrial standard. So this machine is really suitable for any mid-size and bigger labs that have an amount of metal works in wet and dry milling, soft materials, high precision surfaces. The new software interface is really easy to handle, which means that you can start your production from day one. The one-click exchangeable tool magazines allow you to operate different materials within a few seconds. For high stability, we equipped the machine with our Power Clamp 0-point clamping system with an amazing pull-in force of 500 kilos. We also offer a suitable table, really massive stand for this machine, where you are able to include a suction unit, spindle chiller for the spindle cooling, some drawers to organize your tools, planks, tool magazines and other stuff. The 15-fold blank changer magazine, our loader, can be equipped with up to 15 different blanks, C-clamps, pre-milled abutments, stand and disc, and of course it can be opened during milling, but it's separated from the milling chamber. Besides the unbeatable speed, precision is one of the biggest key facts of this machine. So all indications, including telescopic crowns and implant works, can be done. So if you are looking for a high-end class performance machine with short milling times, really nice precision and surface quality, the Cortex 350i Loader X Pro is the right choice.